Welcome to Chef Rafi's show.
This is Chef Rafi and welcome to the Philippines. We are not cooking today. In this episode, I will take you from the mountains of northern Luzon to the beaches of San Fernando, La Union in less than 10 minutes. You heard me, less than 10 minutes. We will start our journey in our home base in Sagada. Before we leave beautiful Sagada, let me show you the beautiful home where I stayed. There are satellite dishes for all the channels and a huge kitchen I used to make Philippine mountain food. You will see that in my other videos. This is just a travel video. It has the best wraparound balcony with great views of the rice terraces. Let me introduce you to my shy cousin Psycho. Now we need to say goodbye to rainy Sagada. Farewell to the scary caves. Goodbye to the beautiful walks in the mountain rice terraces. I will definitely miss the view from my room. So let's catch some snails and then feed the dogs before we go. We are feeding the dogs pinagpican. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride to the beach. Listen to one of my favorite French songs.
Des lambeaux de drapeaux dans le vent, sur les ruines d'un ancien royaume, perdu dans les dunes de sable blanc, l'enfant combat les hommes. Enivré par des mains qui se joignent, par les bras tendus vers l'islam, dans les pas des soldats qui s'éloignent, s'éveille ton cœur en flamme.
tunwen nga magdaktun jay tanem ngano ikan saan ang mabalinin ay item niyaya di nakat yan tangay siksika tindak ay ayaten
lipaten kan tunwen nga mata
We made it! San Fernando, La Union. This is the beach near the local domestic airport. You can find lots of hermit crabs there.
ay item niyaya di nakat
Where would you like me to take you next? Tell me in the comments below.
siksika